know. It wasn't too smooth. I'm using my Panasonic, so I tried to, you know, and the stabilization is on. But as you saw at high magnification levels, high zoom levels, the plane was jumping all over the place. And now I just found some shade and I moved a bit closer to the runway. I was over there before, closer to the main building. I'm over here, and I know that I was here yesterday. I know the planes come from this way. And yesterday I caught a glimpse of a glider. But these things, of course, are so quiet, you know. I just looked up and there was a plane in the sky. And yeah, they're going over there. But I'm just trying to compare, you know, the quality on this of videos produced with this Panasonic and the pictures I took with my Nikon D750. I didn't even try, and you see the glider over there. I think that's the one I took the picture of yesterday. So yeah, I didn't even try to use the video mode on my Nikon because the lens is only 50mm. So now this morning I've been researching zoom lenses, and it seems like there's 3 levels of lenses, you know. Like I had consumer level cameras before, a DX Nikon 5300 and 5200, and I tried the Rebel, and the latest DSLR was Canon D70D 70D, and you can, of course, you can use expensive glass with those, but so I think I was mostly using like cheap glass, cheap lenses, something with 3.5 to 5.6, you know, f on the lens. Speaking of which, actually, on this Panasonic it's 1.8, so the glass is pretty good and has a 20 times optical zoom, but also comes with intelligent 50 times zoom. And that's what I'm using now for because this intelligent is you know, it compensates for the blurring and movement, because you can go higher all the way to like 2000 digital, but then it's just the quality becomes pretty bad. So I'm sticking to I50. But so yeah, so I find that there's 3 types of kind of like 3 classes of lenses. Something under 2.8 f, then something from 2.8 to 4, and 4.5 and higher. So if it's a zoom lens, 4.5 f, 4.5 and higher, it's relatively cheap. I've just been checking. You can get a Nikon 28mm to 300mm, but it's 4.5 to 5.6, and that one is just under $600. And then if you go to f4, 70 to 200mm f4, that one is, of course, is already more expensive, but it has a nano glass, and it has that yellow ring on the outside, so everybody knows you're a semi-pro. And then there's if you go below f4, then it becomes really expensive, like 2.8 glass, you know, or like 1.4. Then you're looking, you can basically sell your car or your pickup truck and buy that lens. So it makes no sense whatsoever. I have this 50mm 1.4. I really love it, but that one was only 505 bills. So I want to stick to, for my next lens, I want to stick to maybe under $1,000, because then it becomes ridiculous. You know, you can get, because right now I'm just looking for a higher reach, but I don't want to lose the quality. So I think for something like this, you know, like shooting airplanes, 200 mils will be more than enough, and I'm leaning towards this f4 fixed aperture 70 to 200 mil f4 lens, but we'll see. So where is that airplane? Yeah, today's Sunday. Yesterday they were doing kind of like a circles, you know. A plane was, I think they had some passengers over there. They were taking them for rides, so they would just, you know, take off from that runway like over there, and then they would just go this way and just do a big circle around this Dansville, New York, and come back from this way and land. And this was like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes. And that airplane took off earlier, right? The one I just shot, but it disappeared. I don't see it anywhere. Just that here, there's such a great view. You know, they have these. It's like a valley between. There's hills over there, right? And there's hills over here on this side. And my truck is at. You can see the sign. Let's see if I can. Where's the building? I can see it with my eyes, but through the camera it's kind of difficult. Okay, yeah, so that's the airport building. And right behind it on the left, over there, there's a sign for the TA Travel Center. So this is intelligent zoom 50 times 50. This is the maximum. Oh wow, it is pretty good. So you can see the price of diesel today. $2.99, but it's kind of tricky to hold it steady, even with the stabilization on. It's becomes easier when you zoom out, and then, but that's where my truck is. So I'm probably about 1.5 kilometers or 1 mile away from that spot. The weather. Well, something is happening. It looks like I thought they were about to fly that glider, but they're just preparing to do some work on it, probably. Maybe not. Yeah, this plane I saw yesterday, it was towing the glider.